All right, guys, 2023 TRX Ram. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Beautiful. Still sounds mean. Even with factory exhaust. Here's sound decibels. You guys can see it still hits 102. 2022 Ram TRX. A sexy truck, custom wheels, custom tires, just a fat stance of a truck. Beautiful. Anyways, only got 6,000 miles on it. So he bought a cornerstone system for it. Air intake and muffler delete. So he had the air intake installed himself, and we just did the muffler delete. I will show it to you guys. Anyways, factory converter there, then true dual into an X pipe, and then there's the cornerstone muffler delete that it clamps on. We always tack them to, just to be on the safe side. There and there, all the way through 3-inch. We left the resonators on it. He didn't want to take those out yet. He wants to see what it'll sound like with the resonators on. So there's the resonators, as you guys can see there. There's one more there and one more there on each side. So there's a total of 3. True dualed all the way back into massive 4.5-inch angle cut tips that come factory on this. Look at that stance. I love the stance of these. There's the muffler, the 2 mufflers that were on it, and the mid pipe that we took off and replaced with the cornerstone muffler delete system. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And there will be a link in the description, hopefully, for that whole system. Okay, guys? We'll show you guys the air intake too. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That's a nice startup. That's with resonators still on it. 117. Again. Wow. Go ahead and back it out. A nice stance to him. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know the quality of the sound. Yes or no? I think it's that sounds so nice. So there's the cornerstone air intake system. It's huge. You can hear that whine again. So he has a complaint about it. It is too loud inside. Yeah, that is loud. Ram TRX muffler delete by Cornerstone. It's got the Cornerstone air intake. So there you go. 2022. Give us a nice drive off or take off, whatever you guys want to call it. Good looking truck. This boat. Enjoy, guys. 2022 Ram TRX. Beautifully finished in red. I like it. That's a sexy truck. One of these days, guys. One of these days, I'm telling you, I will have one. Anyways, factory converter there, factory converter there, factory X pipe there. It comes true dual already from the factory. Then what we did, muffler delete and also resonator delete. So we blocked off the vents for the resonators right there. You see them? They followed suit with Chevy and started doing them that way. So instead of changing the pipe and the look, we just cover them. Keeps the original 3-inch pipe all the way through, mandrel bent, you know. Where's the 2 mufflers, you ask? They're right here. There's the 2 mufflers that are on it that we cut off right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. Nice.
TRX. Straight pipe.
All right, guys, 2021 Ram TRX. What is it, Juan?
TRX.
Yes, sir. Custom bumper. Look at this thing. That is sick. Imagine how bright that is. Wow. I bet you that's a really bright bumper. At night, that's cool though. Got a lift kit, really nice wheels. Just a nice stance on these trucks. What we got done on it, something a little different. Factory converter. Then it's already trudled from the factory, and then they have this gigantic X pipe on it right there for all those horses or rams. Anyways, 3-inch continues, and then what we did is put 2 Flowmaster Outlaws, part number 15430S as in Sam, shorties right there, instead of the 2 mufflers that go on it right there. Came out really nice, really clean. Added hangers and then left the resonators on it for now. He's gonna test it out for a week or so and see if he likes it. That's what the resonators look like right there, if you guys don't know. And then it's got 4.5-inch black angle cut tips out the back, or 5-inch there and there. And then he's got a custom bumper on the back too. Looks really nice truck. And here's the 2 mufflers that were on it. We cut them off. So we're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. There'll be a link in the description for everything that for those 2 mufflers. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. My new favorite. Go ahead. 117. Wow. Outlaw's the way to go. Go ahead. TRX. Let you guys hear on the inside. TRX, Flowmaster Outlaws, X-Pipe. Factories, resonators. I wish it wasn't raining, guys, sorry, but we'll make do with whatever we have. There it goes. Woohoo! Heavy, heavy, baby. That sounds so sick. I like it.